and this is how you debadge the steering wheel. Boom! Hey everyone, Motor Rally here, and today we're debadging the steering wheel and replacing it with the BRGraphics one. I've got the SC steering wheel here, but first, before we do anything, we need to either go in the owner's manual or go to the fuse box in the engine to see what fuse we need to take out. The reason for this is because if you're going to apply a lot of force onto the steering wheel to get the badge out, the horn's going to go beep, and all your neighbours are going to probably kill you. So yeah, let's go into the fuse box in the engine bay and take out the horn, and then we're good to go. Let's go. Before we go anywhere, we need some tools. A flathead screwdriver with some more flathead bits. We've got pliers, craft knife, hairdryer, or you can use a heat gun, I don't have one. And we've got a Dremel tool with some Dremel bits that are needed as well. So yes, this is a lifesaver. It's a lot quicker than sandpaper and it works a lot better for me anyway. So yeah, these are the tools. Let's get straight onto the video. Let's go. Find the fuse box on the left hand side of the engine, put all 4 fingers on each tabs, press it in and just pull up. My cover shows what's what. We got number 7, the horn badge, and you see here 15 amps, and this is in a 9x9 grid, so let's go find this number 7. We can see this 9x9 grid here, and this one, bottom left, 15 amps, this is number 7. So let's get our pliers, put it in, and take it out. And boom! The horn is now disabled. So we just pulled the fuse for the horn so it does not work anymore. So check it out. Here's the steering wheel. Push it all the way in. No horn. No horn. Which means no neighbour's going to come out and no neighbour's going to kill me. It's alright, we got it out. It is weird. It's stuck in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. Right, it's a bit damaged on the, obviously there's a bit damage on this thing. There's also like some lines here which we did craft knife to cut off and make it smooth. So let's do that right now. Right, so update, basically what's happened is we've got this off, right, okay, we've got this off, and then we are left with serrations, right, that elevates the badge. If I put this thing on, right, it's still elevated too much, and it's not a natural tight fit that goes inside, right. I can push it in, but these things are letting it bounce out. So what we've done, it's got a craft knife, go down there, right like that, and now I need to smooth it down, and the best thing for this, I believe, is some sandpaper. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to search the garage, right, turn it upside down to try and find some sandpaper, and then use some sandpaper to get this as smooth as I possibly can, and then put that back on, and hopefully it'll look really nice and flush. Right, we did it. We actually did it, and it's looking amazing. It's a bit, I mean, because of the last time, it's a bit deformed, right? So it has a bit of an air bubble in, which I've managed to keep to a minimum, right? Look at it. Look at it. It looks like this is now part of the steering wheel, right? It actually looks like it looks like it's meant to belong here now, right? Oh my god, the camera doesn't do it justice, man. Doesn't look. Just look at it. Look at it. BRGraphics. Big up BRGraphics. Look at it. It's so cool. This bit down here keeps on bloody. Nope, you're not. Not today. Not today. See? That's why we need to take the fuse out. Now that's done, let's put the fuse back in. Make sure it's in. And put the cover back on. Anyway, this has been Motor Rally, and I hope you guys have learnt something today. It is difficult. Is it worth it? It's up to you. It's really up to you. If you do have a badge like this, right, you can stick it over the top, but if you're like me and being pedantic, then stick it here. I think it's because this is an SE wheel, which is why. If you have the sport wheel, which is like an actual sportier wheel, then you won't have zero problems, because these are meant for the sport model of the EP2, not the SE model. Which is probably why I'm having a bit of an issue, which is, yeah, that is exactly why, because on the sport model you don't get the H's, do you? But anyway, this has been Motor Rally, and I hope you guys learnt something. I'll see you guys in another video. What? Power. Actually, wait. Big up BR Graphics. Check them out. Link in the description. Buy their stuff. Let's go. Pow.